Hi, Tammy here, and I'm going to show you how I make my homemade fried rice, which, as far as I'm concerned and my family's concerned, seems to be better than take it. So I've taken some long grain rice and I've pre-cooked it for 15 minutes and rinsed it with cold water. I have some oil heating in my fry pan. I have an egg scrambled. And so I'm going to put that in the oil. You can hear it sizzling a little bit. And just scramble that up. And so I just use a spoon for that. And when the egg is cooked, then I add some chopped up green onion. So for this amount, I have 3 chopped up green onions, and I just put it in there. Now, I've really liked adding some Epicure Asian stir fry. I am not an Epicure rep, but I love this in here. So I just sprinkle a little in and stir that up. I probably have about a half a teaspoon in there. And so I'm just scrambling that up in my pan. Let me see if I can show you without stopping the video what that looks like. Okay. All right, and so once that's all nicely scrambled and the egg is cooked, I simply add my rice. I'm just making sure I get it all out of there. And I toss my rice in the oil with the egg, the green onion, and the seasoning. And then you could serve it like that if you wanted a plain fried rice. I, however, like soy sauce on my rice, so I just use a store-bought soy sauce. And I don't measure this, I just put some on till I'm happy with basically the brownness of the rice. I tend to like mine nice and flavorful, so I add a fair bit, and I clearly need another bottle. All right, so this is what it looks like. So thanks for watching.